Hi friends, this video shows how to backup and restore all data using ADB debugging or USB debugging. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Under system you can find new option called developer options. Set it, go down. So here I am going to enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable this. Select OK. Done. After that, let me go to laptop. So here in this laptop we need to install one tool, ADB tool. So we can download this zip file from internet, then extract it. See, this is the extracted data. Here you can see adb.exe. So we need to open command prompt from this path. I already opened. See, here you can see the command prompt. From here you can execute commands. So before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV via USB cable. You can see the connection there. After that you would be able to see this USB icon. So that means it's connected properly. Then from here we can run commands. So here you can see list of commands, but in this video we will be focusing only on these two commands, backup and restore. Okay, so first let me run this backup command. So when I run this backup command, it take backup of all data from the TV or TVs, then create this file, backup.ab file in laptop. It will create that backup.ab file here. So let me delete this file. Okay, then go to terminal, copy this command, run it. So here you can see one new screen on the TV. So here we have to set backup my data. So you can see backup starting. Please wait. Okay, backup finished. Okay, so let me check this new file, backup.ab. Here you can see the backup file. Here you can see the size. So next I am going to restore. So before restore, if you want to reset this TV, or if you want to hard reset or factory reset, you can do that. After that you can restore this backup. So that is the main use of this backup operation. Okay, so next I will show you how we can restore this. This is the command, ADB restore, then that backup file. Run it. See, again you can see the new window here. So here we have to set restore my data, restore starting. Please wait. Okay, restore ended. Done. So this way we can backup and restore using USB debugging or ADB debugging. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.